Want cinematic lighting without spending hours grading? In just one click, Filmora's AI Relight transforms your flat footage into beautifully balanced light instantly, no experience required. Today, I'll show you how to use Relight in Filmora 15 to improve lighting, soften shadows, and make your videos look more professional, in just a few clicks. Before we begin, please visit my YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Step 1. Import your clip. Start by creating a new project, and then click on Import to import your video to the media bin and then place it on the timeline. Step 2. Open the AI Relight tool in Filmora 15. Select your clip, then open the Video Settings panel, scroll down. Turn on Relight, and then select the Relight presets. You can choose between Facial, Ambient, and Presets. Under Facial, you will get Atmosphere Exposure, Translucent Water Light, Morning Sunshine, and Soft Facial Light. Under Ambient, you will get different types of backlighting. And under the presets, you can create your own relights. Step 3. Using AI Relight in Filmora 15. Select the preset from Ambient, and then it will add a relight to the preview screen. And now you can select the light and change the direction of the light on the preview screen. Different presets have different numbers of lights. Step 4. AI Relight Settings. Under the preset, you will get light options, Light 1 and Light 2. Then, under Light Type, you can choose between directional and point. Then, under the option, you can choose between people, background, or both. If you choose a background, the relight only affects the background. With light intensity, you can adjust the light brightness, and with light highlights, you can adjust the light highlights. With distance, you can define the light distance. Light radius helps you in defining the area of the light. And with intensity, you can make the background dark or light. Then, select the Light 2 and change the object to background. And now, you will see light on the background only. Then, adjust the parameters. Even you can change the light color. Choose any color which suits best to the background and adjust the light position. You can use X and Y sliders to adjust the position. Then, to add more light, click on the plus button. And under Object, select People and change the light type to Point. Then change the color, and now adjust the parameter. Now, when you move the light, you will see the difference. Or to make it more dynamic, change the light color to something like pink, to put some light on the face, and then keep on adjusting the parameters and position to place it at the right position. Then, add another light, and change the object to people, adjust the light position, change the light color, and adjust the parameter and position. Step 5. Save as a preset. Once done, save it as a preset, so that you can reuse the same light on any other footage. Now, on a new footage, enable the AI Relight, then from the preset, select the saved relight, and the AI Relight will instantly change the mood and light of your footage. You can even change the mood of your image with AI Relight. Step 6. Compare before and after. Here is the comparison of before and after using AI Relight in Filmora. With Relight, fix your footage, save time, and keep creating. If you liked this tutorial, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Filmora 15 tutorials. See you in the next one.